So right here, we're going to be focusing on the larynx. So this is kind of from here to here, the larynx. So we're going to start off by, this is the hyoid bone. And right underneath the hyoid bone, we have the thyroid cartilage and the cricoid cartilage. So between the hyoid and the thyroid cartilage, we have the thyroid ligament. And then we're going to also have right here the laryngeal prominence. And then between the cricoid and the thyroid cartilage, we're going to have the cricothyroid ligament. And then right over here between the trachea, the tracheal cartilage and the cricoid cartilage, we're going to have the cricotracheal ligament. So from here on down, we have the trachea, and from here to here, we're going to have the larynx. And right over here, we're going to talk more about it in depth, is the thyroid gland. Go. So now we're looking at the posterior part of the larynx. This right over here, the top, is the epiglottis. Then this right here, we had talked about that it was the thyroid cartilage, the cricoid cartilage, and then number 5, this little piece right here, is called the corniculate cartilage, and number 4 is called the arytenoid cartilage. Right over here, we have the thyroid gland and the trachea. So right over here, we're going to be taking this off, and then we're going to be looking at this portion of the larynx. And right over here, we have the hyoid bone. This is the epiglottis. This is the thyroid cartilage, the cricoid cartilage. This is thyroid cartilage as well. And then on top, we're going to have the false vocal cords, true vocal cords. And right over here, you're going to go into the trachea, and in the back, it's going to be the esophagus in the back. And that's about it for this portion. So right over here, we're going to be going over the muscles of the larynx really quickly. This is the transverse arytenoid muscle. This is the oblique arytenoid muscle. This right here is the posterior cricoarytenoid muscle. And I just wanted to mention how this right here, little thing we see right there, is called the conus elasticus. And this right over here is the inferior horn of the thyroid cartilage.